There is an everlasting kindness you lavish on us. When the radiance of heaven came to rescue the lost, you called the sheep without a shepherd to leave the distress. For your streams of forgiveness and the shade of your rest, and with compassion for the hurting, you reach out your hand. As the lame run to meet you, and the dead breathe again, you saw behind the eyes of sorrow. You shared in no tears, heard the sigh of the weary, let the children draw near. What boundless love, what fathomless grace you have shown us, O God of compassion. Each day we live an offering of praise as we show to the world your compassion. We stood beneath the cross of Calvary and gaze on your face, at the thorns of oppression and the wounds of disgrace. For surely you have borne our suffering and carried our grief, as you pardoned the scoffer and show grace to the thief. What boundless love, what fathomless grace you have shown us, O God of compassion. Each day we live an offering of praise as we show to